Hello, morning people and night owls who are up early. It's Rhea, and today, I'm excited to share some delicious breakfast ideas that'll make waking up the best part of your day. Let's begin with my favorite, something quick and energizing, banana oat pancakes. These are fluffy, filling, and full of good-for-you ingredients. Here's how you whip them up. Blend 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of oats, 1 egg, and a splash of milk until the mixture is smooth. Heat a non-stick skillet and pour in some batter to form pancakes. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden brown. Next up, we're talking about the ultimate grab-and-go breakfast burritos. Perfect for those mornings when you're short on time but craving something hearty. Scramble eggs and mix in some diced bell peppers, onions, and cooked sausage. Place the mixture on a warm tortilla, top with shredded cheese and a spoonful of salsa. Roll it up and you're ready to go. If you love starting your day with something light and refreshing, you can't go wrong with a classic fruit and yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola, mixed berries, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Repeat the layers until your glass is full. Top with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra touch of flavor. For those who prefer a savory beginning, let's talk about avocado toast with eggs. Simple, yet luxurious. Toast your favorite bread. Sourdough works beautifully here. Mash some ripe avocado on the toast. Add a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon. Top with a boiled egg. This meal not only looks impressive, but is also packed with nutrients to fuel your morning. And there you have it. 4 fantastic breakfast ideas that'll have you jumping out of bed in the morning. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your breakfast creations with me.